On the cover on the beat, so twerk it, bitch.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. I am here with my cuz. So if you're a cool guy like me and you go to car shows and you take your car with, of which I've never taken my car with me yet, but if you take your car to the car shows and you like put it on display, so let's say something like Sunset GT, but it's coming up. Sunset GT, and you put your car on display, you get like vloggers like me want to like review your car, and maybe you have your Kenyan plates on it. So I just wanted to make a short video with this thing and show you how you can easily just make a cheap custom license plate for yourself. If you should take your cars to the car shows. Man. Nah, I'm good. So let me show you let me show you some small things you need. Okay, so on my workbench I have this triple socket white thingy. Yeah, it opens stuff. And I have this mock-up plate which we'll be using. It's actually the basis of the tutorial today, and you can get this on your supermarket like for that cheap. I got it for like 90 shillings. Yeah, I was so surprised. And you need your license plate, a marker, a masking tape. In other cases you might need a nail just to mock up the points, as in when you mock up the holes. And a sterile blade. You need a blade. And you need your cutout. If you have a CNC machine that cuts out vinyl, you go to that and they just cut black vinyl. I had this vinyl lying around and I used it. Still have much going on, so yeah, that will last. And I cut this out from there, and basically a piece of just white vinyl. So this will be like our background, and this will be on the foreground. Yeah, you can actually use that. Okay, so first thing we need to do is actually cut the background from there to here, so we can transfer it from here. Yep, so let's do that. Okay, so what I did, I took the white vinyl, cut a piece out, put some of it, I guess you'll see it in the time lapse, and poked the holes so you can have the mounting points for the plate. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is transfer this Iquinix to here, so that it looks like it's written like that, like to make it look similar. You'll get it. So I guess most of you are wondering how I'm going to transfer the letters to the plate. So I saw this online. Somebody can take a masking tape. You can apply it on the letter, repeal the outside part, stick it on the plate, and the letters will come out in an even way. You don't have to remove like one letter. Okay, just watch. So if you follow the tutorial really well, you'll end up with something like this. On normal days you will use your normal plate, but when you go to car shows, you can use your custom plate. Yeah, okay. Guys, I want to tell you a precaution. If you use the same material I used, please be careful. These things are pretty sharp, and you can see I already drew blood, so yeah. Okay, thanks for watching.